Okay, y'all, so my Jeep has been looking the same for the past, actually, few years, and I want to change it up. So, I'm gonna change it up. Should I change on it? Mirrors? Paint? Headlights? Rims? What? I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do the headlights. The headlights, I'm just gonna get all new headlights eventually when I can afford it. But what about these? Yeah. Let's do these. Okay, so I have 5 rims for my Jeep. I have the spare when I had a blowout, yada, yada, yada. That's the one I'm gonna practice on. So to do the best possible practice run I can, tires gotta go. The junk, I just got done doing a whole bunch of crap to the Jeep. Y'all know. Huh. That might work. I don't think I can do it. It's a lot harder than it looks. Screw it. I'm gonna just prep it like it is, and I'll take it to a tire shop, or my buddy's got a tire machine. I'll take it there another day. Right now, I'll just prep it for paint. I guess there was a reason why that was so cheap. Okay, so the battery on the drill died, but we're almost done prepping this one first rim. I got it right there. I was just working on the center cap. I got that off, and I was working on getting all this crap rust off, but I'm gonna just have to go back to the conventional way. You know what? I didn't even think to ask y'all what color you think I should paint these, but I already got a color. I'm gonna surprise y'all. I think this color is just really gonna make this Jeep pop. You know, of course, once I redo the paint on the outside and stuff like that, but y'all will see. Okay, I have some rust buildup inside the rim. I've been trying to get it mostly clean, but I'm gonna take this little bitty old screwdriver. I'm not too worried about the paint, obviously, because I'm painting it, but I'm gonna try not to scratch it like deep so when you see it, but I'll show you. I gotta go buy another wire wheel tomorrow, a newer, fresher one, so I can get in those spots better. Like I said, this is the trial run. This might end up actually staying this color. I mean, not this color. I might just do the best I can on all of them, and eventually I'm gonna get new wheels. These are just gonna have to make do till then. I know you don't need to tell me this is not the most conventional way to sand and prep your wheels. Water, you're supposed to use thinner. I know. It'll be all right for now. This would also be a lot easier if I could have got the tire off. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I'm going to tape this up, tape that up. I'm not gonna tape off the tire. I'm not gonna do it. Look at it. Yeah, no. All right, I got the paint, so here it is. Ooh, wait, is that the color? I'm just kidding. That's primer. Rustoleum. I'm using Rustoleum primer, so I'm going to be using Rustoleum paint. Don't mix match. Otherwise, let me show you what would happen. This is the shit you get when you mix match primers, like not Rustoleum and Rustoleum. And it's just, yeah. Get closer. You see that? Yeah, so don't mix match. So I had to move because whenever you paint, you're gonna get overspray. Make sure whatever you paint around, you're willing to get paint on, because there will be overspray. Personally, I don't care if I get overspray on this. Really. Look at it, it's just. Okay, so all I'm gonna be able to do today is this one coat. I'm running out of light. But whenever you paint, be sure you shake it really good. Be sure anything you want taped off, tape it off. You know, obviously don't care about the tire, it's destroyed. And watch out for overspray. Here we go. Your first coat, you always want to do it really light, just kind of as you saw me do, just. Your second coat, you're gonna do it a little more, and your third coat of primer should be a full coat of primer. It's not gonna be super thick, but it's gonna cover everything. Once that dries, we're gonna go for the second coat. You'll be able to tell better tomorrow. Hopefully they turn out good. We'll see. Y'all thought I was gonna show you the rim, didn't you? Yeah, no, that's gonna be for tomorrow. This is what happens when you forget you have a piece of crap little baby jack and you leave it under your Jeep and it drains out. Luckily, there's another little baby jack stand right there. So I'm gonna fix this. I'll put that tire on, even though it's flat.